Hey guys, in this video we will learn how to define the menu name inside Magento admin. So I already defining all kind of things my previous videos. So you need to watch my previous video and to learn how to create the menu. I mean how to create the Magento admin module. So you can learn my previous video and understand like how to create Magento module. So in this video, we will learn how to create admin menu. Here is some menus. So how to create from this, right? So I already have one main directory, the learn and model name, the hello. So inside the etc folder, we have one directory admin html, right? We can create the admin html. Inside the admin html, we can create the menu .xml, and in this xml file we can define here is like main directory learn and module name hello, and we have defined some manager name. So you can define whatever you have things, right? And the title name and the module name, we already have the module name and the shorting and the resource you can define. I already defined the acl kind of things my previous video. If you don't know about this, you can learn my previous video. So this is the resource things, the employees, right? So here is define the resource, right? That this is main menu, and again the sub menu I can create the same thing, the employee name, the employee things, because this is main menu and this is sub menu. This is title, this is module name, this is shorting, and this is the acl things. This is this things we already defined my previous video. So you can learn my previous video, so you can easily understand about the acl, right? So this is action. So this action things we will cover in this next video, how to create an admin controller. So we can learn about this, and this is resource collection, right? So we can just save and refresh here, right? So here is we have the menu, learn menu, this menu, right? Learn menu, and in the inside the menu we have the employee manager things. This one, learn menu, employee manager. You can change also. You can check. This is learn menu. This is learn first. This is first menu, right menu, and this is you can check employee second menu, right? You can just refresh from here. So nothing changed because you know the cache thing. So you can just these things which will cache flush. So you can just refresh again. After cache refresh, few like take some time because you know the regenerate the cache. So this is this the learn menu first menu, because we already has the learn menu, so we can change this things, right? And second one, the employee second menu, right? So this is way you can create the menu, because we require only the one menu .xml file. So you can easily create the menu inside the admin area, right? So in this video is only a menu thing. Next video we will learn about the action, I mean how to create the admin controller, right? Thank you for